English voiceover script. Hello friends, welcome back to our workshop with another short and informative video. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what this card does. Then, we'll disassemble it, examine the internal structure, and wrap up the video. The proximity tag, commonly known as a proximity tag, with technologies like RFID, radio frequency identification, or NFC, near-field communication. These types of tags are widely used in access control systems, security cards, vehicle recognition systems, and contactless payment applications. How does a proximity tag work? Inside the tag, there's a tiny chip and an antenna. It's passive, meaning it doesn't have its own power source. When it gets close to a reader, it receives energy from the radio frequency signals emitted by the reader. The RF signal is captured by the tag's antenna, energizing the chip. Then the chip sends a unique identification number to the reader. This ID is processed and verified by the connected system. If the tag is authorized, the system will, for example, unlock a door or grant access. Where is it used? Building access and security systems, public transport cards, vehicle parking systems, personnel tracking systems, automated payment systems. Types of tags, 125 kilohertz, often used in simple access control, 13.56 megahertz. NFC CAS supports more advanced read-write functions. UHF, ultra-high frequency, offer longer range and faster reading, commonly used in logistics. Now let's take apart this simple card and look inside. Some cards can be opened from the sides, others from the center. This one opens right in the middle. As we discussed earlier, there's a special chip inside. Since there's no battery, the coil inside receives power from the reader and activates the chip, allowing the door or system to operate. You can see how simple its internal structure is. How does it receive power? Let me show you with a basic experiment I previously shared on my channel. It's a contactless nightlight. When the coils with LEDs are brought near a power source, they light up, drawing energy wirelessly. The same principle applies here. When the key fob is brought near the reader, the coil draws a small amount of power and activates the chip, which then sends its data to trigger a system action like unlocking a door. Can these tags be cloned? Let's talk briefly about cloning. You've probably seen remote control keys that can be copied by placing two units side by side and pressing buttons. But this method doesn't work for proximity tags. These require specialized cloning devices. However, not all tags can be cloned. If the tag has a logo, brand, or any printed identification, it's usually locked and can't be copied. Only blank tags with no markings can be duplicated using such devices. In addition to tags, cards are also used in access systems. These work on the exact same principle and contain the same components. Can we build our own system? Absolutely. With an Arduino board, Uno or Nano, we can create a simple access control system using RFID cards. In the near future, I'll share a video showing how to make an automatic door access system using an RFID card in Arduino. I hope this video was helpful. More how-to content like this will continue to come. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care, stay safe, and I wish you healthy and prosperous days. See you next time!